Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this curly, wet, defined look for your wigs, your bundles, your weave, any of that. It's a really quick and simple and easy thing to achieve and do with a few products, especially all from the beauty supply store. And literally this is how my hair looked before on one side and after on the other side. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this full look right here. Okay. If you're interested, stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, so this is how the hair looks when the hair is wet. So it's more defined and curled. I just have to go back in and define the end. I have to go back in and define the end of the hair. But this is how the hair looks when it's not combed, like when it's not defined with water and all that. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this side, because of course this side is so much more flatter and more defined and ready to go on the road. Okay, and I just only use 3 products. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the products that I use. So there's a few things that you guys need. So you're going to need is your curling and styling product. So you can either go in with gel or mousse or anything that you have, but today I'm going to be using the Soft Touch hair wax, and you can get this at any local beauty supply store, but if you're in Jamaica you can find this like anywhere. And this is the number 5. I got the strongest strength that they have in this line. You guys are gonna see what I'm going to do with it. I would recommend going in with gel. If you have gel, you go in with that. And next I'm using my Kinky curling Custard, and I love this. And then you want to obviously use a brush. I would recommend you using a brush over a comb when it comes to defining your hair. I just feel like the brush is so much more easier and grabs onto the curls a little bit more, and it just makes it look a little bit more better with this brush. And again, I got this brush at the beauty supply store for less than $10, and I don't have an actual curl brush, but you can go ahead and get that curling, the denim brush I think it's called. Okay, so next thing is a spray bottle. And if you don't have a spray bottle, because this one is just like not really working today, I don't know what's happening to it. You can go in with like a little basin and water, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go in with a basin of water, and I'm going to wet my hair. You just need water, no matter how, it doesn't matter what way you apply the water to your hair. Just make sure you have water. You want to go in with conditioner, and I'm just using just a regular conditioner that I have. It doesn't really matter. And go in with any conditioner that you have at the moment. I know you're supposed to be using Tresemme for curly hair, but literally use whatever you want. And then you want to go in with a towel. The towel is just so it will protect you from getting wet. Let's get started into this. I'm going to make it as quick as possible. So I'm going to take much bigger sections. You taking big sections at a time. So something like that. And you want a hair tie, obviously, to just tie up your hair. Or you can use a clip, but I just feel like this is so much more easier. Anyway, so I know some people are like, oh, I'm going to have to gel my edges and stuff when it comes to that. Wear a wig cap. I'm just going to comb out my hair first while I tell you guys about what to do when it comes to wigs and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with wetting the hair first. I'm gonna tell you guys about what I do. Oh, what I forgot to tell you guys is with the reason why we need the conditioner is you can mix the conditioner and your water together in the spray bottle, but since I can't do that, I'm putting the conditioner in the basin that I have here. Or you can just, I know a lot of people do this method, like they wet their hair and then they get the conditioner and then they put it in the hair. There's people who do that. I'm gonna be honest with you, that takes a long time. Okay, so back to my story now. With me, I'm someone who doesn't really like putting products on my natural hair, because I have this thing where if I put products on my natural hair, I'm gonna have to wash it out. Having a lot of product on your hair is not good for your natural hair. I like keeping my hair natural, let me just say that. Well, no product besides hair oil. Okay, so like gel I don't like putting on my hair, styling mousse, none of that, on my natural hair. So when it comes to me wearing stuff like this, like wigs and weaves and combs and all, and so it's combs. So I just start from the bottom and I comb my hair all the way up. And you want to take your time, because curly hair sheds a lot and you still don't want to rip out the hair. You want to treat it like if you're combing your real hair. Anyway, so yeah, I don't like product on my hair. So basically when it comes to wigs and stuff, and in regards to doing like, oh my god, I have to lay down my sideburns and stuff so it can look similar to the hair that I'm wearing, what I do is I put on a wig cap under my wigs. Not really all the time, because I notice like when I put wig caps on and then I put the wig on, it just makes my head feel so much more tighter. I don't know if the wig cap is just really tight on my head or something, but I just noticed that that's the reason why my head's been hurting me. Anyway, so with the wig cap, you want to get like a brush like this, or you want to get a small brush or like a toothbrush, your styling toothbrush, and you want to brush your hair all the way back, and then you just want to put the hair cap over what you just brushed to hold it and secure it, just so you don't have to put gel on. And that, with me, I don't have to put gel on, and I don't have to worry about, oh my god, I have my hair in a protective hairstyle and I'm putting products other than hair oil on my hair. Because when I clean around my hair or do a protective hairstyle, the only thing I want on my hair during the time that I'm having a protective hairstyle is only hair oil, because I want to promote hair growth and I want to ensure that my hair looks good. My hair is healthy and it grows well without any product buildup. And that's another reason I've been trying so hard to avoid frontals, because I just don't want to put so much product or keep product on my edges on my forehead for a long time. Because I just don't like chemicals like that on my hair for a long time. Because I feel like when you put so much products on your hair, like hair gel and hair edges, wax edges, I don't know, all that stuff, I honestly feel, this is what I feel, guys. Hold on, I need to wet my hair some more. Make sure you put the product all the way up. And what conditioner is doing is making it so much more easier for you to comb out your hair, and it also defines the curls in your hair as well. So that's good. Oh, what I was saying is, that's the reason why I've been avoiding frontals for so long, but I have no choice. I'm going to start wearing them because I just like how they look way better than closures. Frontals just look so real. But what I was saying is, okay, what I was saying is the reason why I want to avoid frontals is because of the hold. You have to put so much product and holding gel and styling gel, and you can leave your closure on for a long time, right? I mean, you can leave your, look how nice this looks, guys. Let me show you on my hand how defined these curls are. So essentially, this is what I'm gonna do for like half of my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys what else I do after. That's a big section, and I make sure, and as you can see, like the hair gets automatically so much more flatter. So I'm doing another big section. Now the good thing about a spray bottle is that it's more mobile. With the base, and I have to be bending down and everything. Automatically you can start seeing it defined. And then I'm putting the conditioner in it. I feel like I have to put more conditioner in my water, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to start wearing frontals because it looks more natural, and I just like how it looks, and I think you can leave frontals on for a few days. I'm not someone who likes wearing wigs to sleep, to bed and stuff like that, but I'll try it out and I'll see how it is. And I really want to focus on the end because you want to have the ends of the hair defined. So I really hold the ends of the hair and then brush it, and then sometimes I go up with the brush like that, and then it just gives a more defining look. I don't know how I noticed that, but look how much more defined that is now. Can you guys see all that? When you guys go upwards, you brush upwards with the brush and then let go. Let me show you guys. It's just so much more defined. So I'm just gonna go in with the Kinky curly. So I did basically half of my head. I did half of it. So now I'm gonna start putting in the product halfway. So I'm using the Kinky curly. And if you guys want to see how this product works on my natural hair, I'm going to link that video so you guys can watch. I recommend people watching that video. Okay, and I'm just finger combing it throughout the hair. Because the hair is so thin, I don't have to section off the hair. And I really try to focus the product on the ends of the hair too, because I feel like you need the ends to be as defined as the top and the middle. So now I'm going in with the Soft Touch Natural Control Hair Wax. And it literally comes out like a wax. I'm going to show you guys how the inside looks. It's literally a wax. Okay, so I'm going to rub this in my hand. As you can see, like the hair shedding, like you can see all the hair on my hand, and then I just go in because it's a strong hold wax. I feel like if I rub it in my hands and then put it distribute it throughout the hair, it just really holds the curls much better. See how nice that looks so far? And now we're just going to finish up with the top. But basically it's the same thing. Yeah, so with curly hair, it sheds a lot, okay? Especially if you're coming from a state like this to go to this, you're going to be combing out a lot. I'm just ensuring that some water gets at the top of my bundles as well because I don't have the spray bottle. So I'm just bringing some water up here. So that's working really well. You guys see that definition? This brush is really good. I got this brush from the beauty supply store. I don't know if I already told you guys that, but I got it for less than, I probably even think $5. You can watch my beauty supply store haul must-haves, and I talk about, I think, this brush in it, so you guys can check out the price and all the everything about this brush, because I feel like it's a must-have, especially from the beauty supply store. Not this brush exactly, but just a brush. Okay, and we're just going to comb from the bottom. Literally, it's the same thing that you're going to be doing the entire time. Just make sure you have a brush instead of a comb. And I would recommend a brush even over a wide tooth comb too, because I just feel like the brush covers more in a small amount of time, and it goes through the curls. Look at that, using some little wax. And I like finger combing once my hair is already combed out. And ta-da! I like how it looks. So I like how it looks fully, and it's so simple and easy, and literally all things from the beauty supply store that you all can have. Look at that. The hair is so defined and curled. I love this. Look at how nice it looks. It's so much more flatter than how it looked before. It's flowy. It doesn't feel rough or very hard with the products that I use. And literally this was the side that I did before, and this is the current side that I have right now. So it's literally not that much of a difference once it dries up and gets a little bit more bigger. Look at this. It looks so good, and I like it. So that's literally the end product of how your hair, with a few things from the beauty supply store, so affordable. And you saw how my hair looked before I did all this, okay? okay, so yeah, so that's how I define and curl my hair and give that wet look when it comes to weaves, bundles, and all that great stuff. So if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have your little tips and tricks, comment that down below, because I'm always willing to learn. And subscribe to my channel, because I do a lot more hair videos similar to this. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.